Good morning, everyone. So, we haven't vlogged in a couple of days, almost a week maybe. We're just hanging out, watching some SpongeBob. She's getting tired, so she's probably gonna be taking a nap soon. But I just wanted to say hi, guys, and we've missed you. Hopefully you guys missed us. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Oh. Okay, she's too busy to look at the camera. She's looking at the TV instead. So that's okay. Leah's finally getting some hair. Thank God. You're not gonna be bald forever. So yeah, I'm gonna put her down for a nap. Today I'm gonna try and clean my room. When I mean clean, I mean like everything gotta go. I gotta clean my closet first so I can have some room in there, but I need to do something with this room because I feel like it's like so cluttered in here. I don't know. Leah has most of her stuff in here, but it's whatever. So yeah. Okay, guys, so I am about to start cleaning my room. I've been dreading this day for a while, but since Leah was born, I have been slacking badly on keeping up with my room. Her room, immaculate, clean, everything's great. All her clothes are folded in drawers and everything, and then my room, well, I just woke up, so bed isn't made, but I'll show you guys this disaster. Because, you know what? This is real life. And people do get lazy. And, yeah, I have no excuses. No excuses. It's just horrible. That's Paul's little area over there. And here's the disaster. I gotta figure out what to do that and everything that's under my bed. And I gotta start with my closet so I have room, so yeah, this should be fun. Question, how the hell does anyone clean or do any of that with an almost 10-month-old baby? She just wants to pick up everything, put it in her mouth like her sock. Yeah, but I've got some good progress down. I just cleaned my closet. You never could see the floor before. Now you can see the floor and all the shoes are in there. Leah, what are you doing? Look. Look. Leah, look. She doesn't care. She just wants to get into everything that I'm trying to clean. But, yeah. So, this is what I've got done so far. And under my bed is almost clean. Couldn't see under there before either. And Leah just hit me with a shoe. Nice. Okay, so, now Leah, I cannot turn around for 2 seconds because look what Miss Leah Bear did. Leah spilled her whole formula. Don't eat it like that. She thinks it's good. Look at you. Let me see you. Hey, look at Mama. What did you do? No, you can't eat it. Well, there goes half a can of formula. Okay, guys, so I'm almost done cleaning my room. I'm not going to show you yet, but I think I did pretty good. I can't move the TV because it's like too heavy in the dresser, and I'm just going to leave it because I really don't give a shit. But Leah's having a bottle right now. I'm just going to finish quickly before she's done, and then I'll show you guys.
Dude, she's like the only baby that lets you wipe her face.
So you're gonna make her dance.
Oh. One time for the rude boy, yeah, you knew. I believe you wait me. Go ahead, baby. Dance. Yeah. Check those moves. Good dance. Go ahead, dear. You see that? Yeah. Good dance. You're like, good. Good dance.
I forgot to show the room, even though it's not done now. Move the bed.
Turn up. Just turn up, Juice.
You getting chocolate wasted?
She's getting white girl wasted. That is done. Are you filming me? Put that down.
I ain't putting it down.
Put that shit down.
I want to show everyone how good of a dad you are.
What do you want?
Nothing.
I'm really gonna
Hey
fucking
guys.
deck you. Back up.
Just showing Sam and Paul, but I don't think you can see them.
Hey, what is that
Oh.
floating in the air?
What?
Will you go to Stop and Shop and Sell Back?
No, nigga.
Please.
No, dudes ain't. You see how much gas I got?
You just drove her home for fucking 20 minutes.
Put the light on. Put the light on.
Holy fuck, ow.
Ow, not right in my face.
Okay.
Alright. I
Ready?
feel like we're on
Look.
a spotlight. Put it on Sam. Sam, over there.
God. No!
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Me?
Mm-hmm. You want me to get closer?
Okay, that's fucking creepy.
Ooh, a light in there just turned on or off.
That's hilarious. That's fucking weird. Stop. Oh my god.
Okay, guys, so we're just hanging in the car. Leah's about to fall asleep. Yeah, and Aubrey's back there too. We're with Aubrey and Becca. Becca's getting Aubrey some soup at Panera Bread, and we're gonna go to my house and hang out for a while. We just went to the store and checked out some Halloween costumes, so you guys got a surprise in for it because this year is gonna be a good one. Yeah, but I'm just gonna put like yesterday and today's vlog together because I didn't really end it, and I don't want to end it the way that it was last night because I mean, like, that's not a great ending, and I don't want to keep just like leaving you guys hanging and not saying like goodbye. So I'm just gonna put it into today, and then I'll post this all tomorrow, and then I'll try to get back on track to what I was doing before. I just had a lot to do this week, but like I said, we're just hanging out. I always yawn when the camera turns on, I swear. But yeah, it's hot out. It's the first day of fall, and it's like 84 degrees out. What does that even mean? Come on. And by the way, I need to go get my eyebrows done tomorrow because no. That's why, because no. So yeah. But either way, I love you guys for watching all the time. You guys are like the best people ever. Ever. Anyways, before I get too distracted and off track and rambling on, like I said, I just want to let you guys know that I was putting today's vlog into tomorrow's vlog, and yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say. Okay, so enjoy this long vlog that you guys get to watch of my exciting life. And Leah is slowly falling asleep, but that's her new car seat, so we'll see how she goes. I think I can tilt it back more, but I haven't figured out what she's sleeping. She's sleeping. Is Aubrey sleeping? Aubrey. Hi. Say hi. You little cutie. Hey guys, I'm eating my first apple of the fall. Green apples are my favorite, in case you didn't know. Leah's sleeping. Oh, I almost dropped my phone. My hair is, I don't know. But, yeah, I'm just waiting for Paul to get back from the store so we can hang out. And I'm tired, and I went to bingo tonight, and I won. Actually, almost like every time that I go to bingo, oh, I have the hiccups. Every time I go to bingo, I win. I'm pretty lucky there. So, if you guys want a lucky charm, you can always bring me. But, I just want to say that you guys are the best for watching this vlog. You know I'm boring. Tomorrow's Friday. So we'll be doing something fun. Okay. Love you guys.